stories in the world, there exists an exceptional tale of romance shared over great music through the years. Two hearts that beat as one, two voices played an unforgettable melody that will live on forever. Ito ang pag-ibig ng sinundan ng buong bayan. Mapitingin ng sinubaybayan dito mismo sa ASAP. Together, they made a perfect combination. Mula sa matamis na samahan, maging hanggang sa pinakamabigat na pagsubok na kapwa nila hinarapat. Despite all the things they've been through, it was always their tender and happy moments which truly left a mark in our minds and hearts. Now, on ASAP 80, our country's aerial music and love royalty unite once again for one unforgettable performance. Live on the ASAP stage, let's give it up for the concert queen, Pops Fernandez, and the concert